Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn off the bell notification so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. I also give this video a thumbs up. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can create your video intro for your YouTube videos and all other videos you are creating. So for us to do that, we'll first go to this website known as panzoid.com. panzoid.com. So we typed a wrong panzoid, P-A-N-zoid.com. So if you come to the interface, you see clip maker, backgrounder and video editor. So we are going to choose what? The clip maker, because we want to do a video intro. So if you come here, then you see different templates that you can use for your video intro. You can click more creation to see more templates. You can choose from any of these templates to produce your video intro. So if you want to choose a template, let's search for a blue template. If you are looking for a blue template, you come here, you search blue intro and begin to look for the templates we like. Let's say we want to choose this template and use it for our video intro. Once you have gotten a template you want to use, you click on it. It brings you to this interface. Then you click on open in clip maker. So it brings you to this interface. So here you can play the template to see how it looks like. I'm out and all the time. So if you like the template, now you can start editing the template to look like what you want it to be. Change the text depth to your channel name and any other thing. So for these lines that are here, if you want to remove all these lines, then you can click on this eye icon here and the lines will disappear. Let's play it without the lines. I'm out and all the time. After choosing these templates, the next thing to do is to edit it and put our name. In place of this blue, let's put our name there. So we want to do that, you come to these three lines, then you click on it. You come to basics, you click on basics. The basics means your resolution of your video. What is the resolution of your video? Here we are giving as default as 1080 pixel, but this, I think this is too high for me. I will choose 720 pixel because that is how all my videos are done. Then the frame rate, I'll leave it at 30. Then video length is about 15.6 seconds, which is okay. So when you're satisfied with that, we still go back here and click. We come to scene. Scene basically means the background of your video. And seeing the background, I'm satisfied with this background, so I'm not going to touch anything here. So I click here again and go to objects. Object is where we can change the text on our video. So if we want to change the text, we scroll to where we can see text. Look at see text here. Then change it to our name. Let's say our name is Medab. Then we can change the second one. Again, Medab. You can see that our text has changed. So let's play it and see. So I think we are satisfied with this. So the next thing you do that, if you want to change the music that is playing there, you can come to this icon and click on it. Then you can upload your music file from your computer if you have another music you want to use and replace it. So the volume of the music, you can reduce the volume of the music and you can increase it. You can reduce the volume and you can increase it here. So that's all. Once you are satisfied with whatever you have done, so you can now download your music. You click on this download icon, it will bring you here. So how do you want it to be? Is it balance, fastest render? No, I don't advise you put fastest render. Fastest render will make your video to be blur, it will not be clear. So balance, you can choose between balance and good quality. Extreme quality, you make your rendering time to be long. The rendering will be very slow and it takes time to render. So I always choose good quality and click on start video render. So our video has started rendering. So let's just give it a while. As it's rendering, please do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn up the bell notification button so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. So our video is rendering, a few seconds left. So our video has finished rendering, so now you can download a video. So but our video is downloaded in MKV. It's an MKV video which we cannot use on YouTube. We need to convert it to what? MP4 video. So for us to convert it to MP4 video, we go to Google and type MKV to MP4 converter, free converter. So you click on the first link, it brings you here. Now you can import, upload your file, choose a file. So let's look for where our video is stored. So we look for MKV file. I want to know the video location. Open location. It's here, so we can let me just cut the video and paste it on my desktop. So I will paste it on the desktop. So it is on the desktop. So if I come here to choose a file, I choose a file. So I can go to my desktop and look for what? Video MKV. Open it and we start, click on convert to MP4. So it will start converting our video to MP4. So as it's converting, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification button, and also give this video a thumbs up and share these videos. So our conversion is almost done. So it has been fully converted to MP4. Now you download our MP4 video. So our MP4 video has been downloaded. So let's play it and see how our intro is. The intro we just made, how it looks like. I'm out and all the time. We all can confess that this is an awesome intro. This is the simplest way you can produce your video intro for your YouTube videos and any other video you want to do. You can even set this as a gig on Fiverr and be making money from it, because on Fiverr many people are looking for people who can do intro videos for them. So this is a free website where you can produce intro video and be using it to make money on freelance website like Fiverr. So thank you, and do not forget to what, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification button so that anytime I drop awesome videos like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. Thank you.